A gated entry welcomes you to this fantastic opportunity in West Lynn's coveted Cascade Summit. Nestled on a large corner lot, you'll find this elegant, thoughtfully designed home spanning over 5,600 square feet. The inviting entry welcomes you to this masterfully crafted interior with lavish built-ins, ornate wood moldings, and beautiful hardwood floors. The bright gourmet kitchen features a large granite island, a walk-in pantry, double ovens, and abundant storage. The graceful entry opens to the living room with gorgeous wainscoting. The detailed craftsmanship extends to the elegant formal dining room and butler's pantry. French doors open to the executive main floor office. From the grand foyer and dramatic staircase, you'll discover an expansive upper level. The oversized master bedroom suite is a romantic retreat with a gas fireplace and sitting alcove. Unwind in luxury in the master bath with a huge shower, peekaboo mounted views, and new travertine stone countertops. The second bedroom has a convenient ensuite bath. It opens to the loft and another bedroom. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home also has 2 large bonus rooms, flexible spaces for any number of uses, plus mini storage closets throughout and expanded storage access from both bonus rooms. The backyard is a tranquil oasis with 2 sitting areas, surrounded by mature landscaping. Entertain by the private fire pit, enjoy family fun, or tend to your garden in this expansive yard. You have room for all of your toys in the 4-car garage. Savor this private setting while enjoying easy access to shops and restaurants, plus HOA amenities including a neighborhood pool, community room, sport court, and playground. A stunning home in Cascade Summit. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Theresa Monahan with Premier Property Group.